off at old Tesco after this and get some if I can. Perfect, bro. No, it's just me. I believe it's just me. I haven't seen anyone else along here streaming at Stansted. It's normally always just me that streams at Stansted, guys. And the wind's potentially getting up to a maximum of 32. Oh! Sorry guys, that frightened the life out of me. Oh my god!
Spot 7 Oscar taxi.
785 Las Vegas ground runway 26 right taxi via Charlie.
26 right via Charlie, Delta 795.
Before Las Vegas, I was at go around I had to deal with. Runway 26 right, line up, wait for traffic.
No left, clear takeoff.
19 left, let's take off. 91.
You're going in? Sorry, Frontier 3983, do you guys know what spot you're going in? Delta 795.
Sorry about that, yeah, that was Echo 8 for 3983 is going to
Charlie, so just give way to them.
It was all stepped on.
Delta 795, give way to this Frontier.